Hello friends, welcome back again in my channel where you learn Hindi to English. In this video today we will learn some alternatives that you can use at the time of speaking and using the regular sentence for when you want to say that you desire something. Okay, just like when we want a pizza, we say I want a pizza, I want to learn English, I want to go there, I want the dress. But instead of saying I want, we can say so many things, and we can use so many alternatives so that it could make your English more fluently. And if you want to learn English and desires to become a fluent person in English language, you must know that can how you can say a same thing in different ways. So alternatives is something that create a creativity into you so that you can become more natural English speaker. Okay, so let's start today's video. And if you are a new visitor on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and subscribe as well. Okay, let's start. So today's the first alternatives we have is I fancy. Instead of saying I want to learn English, you can say I fancy to learn English. I fancy. You are saying that you desire to learn English. Okay. The second one is I feel like. I feel like. When you are saying that you want to do this, you want to do that, you want to wear the dress, you can say I feel like. Okay, I feel like. This is our second alternatives to instead of saying I want. I feel like to go to the market, I feel like to learn English, I feel like to wear the dress. So this is our second alternative, so you could use instead of saying I want. Our third one is I could go for. I could go for. Okay, so many times we say that I want to go abroad, I want to go to party, I want to go to the dinner tonight outside. So instead of saying this, you can say that I could go for the party today, I could go for the abroad in next year or in a month. Okay, so this is our third alternative. Our fourth one is I am in the mood for. This is even if you are using these alternatives, you sound more naturally. Okay, so next time when you want to you desiring something, you could say I am in the mood for. I am in the mood for party, I'm in the mood for singing song, I'm in the mood for eating this. Okay, so xyz you can use like this. Our last one is I would like to. This is very politely way to say I want. Okay, I would like to have this, I would like to go to the market, I would like to sing a song. Okay, make a simple sentence but use these alternatives, because this is not only the alternatives, you can say these are the sentence starter, so where you can start and form your sentence in the starting. Okay, so these let's end today the video, and let's meet in the next video. Okay, thank you so much, thank you for watching this video, and we will meet our next video very soon. Okay, till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much.